Hi, this is Toni with Cruises by Toni. And as many of you know, I'm always traveling, going on cruises, and people always ask me, how do you pack and what do you pack? Well, today I'm going to give you a demonstration of me preparing for a 7-day cruise. In this, I have 13 dresses, 2 swimsuits, 2 cover-ups, 2 tank tops, 3 tops, 1 caprice, 1 pair of jeans, 1 pair of shorts, 1 jacket, 1 shawl, 2 sets of workout gear, my toiletry bag, and I have my undergarments, which is basically 14 pair of underwear and the bras to match it. And we have 6 pair of shoes, a laundry bag, and my Ziploc bags. I always pack the Ziploc bags and a few extra bags that you get from the stores like Walmart, Dollar Store. So here's my suitcase, and I'm going to use this size suitcase to put it all in. As you can see, the suitcase is empty, and I'm going to first put all my shoes in the little plastic bags first, and then I'm gonna come back and show you of me putting all these items in the suitcase. Give me a minute and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So I just put the shoes in and I put them in the bags. Like I said, this came from Dollar Tree. So I have 3 bags with the shoes and this one here, okay? So the shoes do not get my clothes dirty. Okay, so I'm going to start putting these items in. Here's my workout gear and my socks. Here's some dresses, more dresses, more dresses, some more dresses, and some more. Okay, now we're going to put the swim gear and the cover-ups. I'm going to put that in. We're going to take the belt, just lay it down so it doesn't take up no space. Here's the caprice, the shorts, and one of my tops. There's some space down here, so let's stick that down there. My tank tops and my other tops. We're going to sit that there. Matter of fact, let's take these socks and just put it here in the corner. Not this way. Okay, here's my jeans and my last dress that I have. Going to put my toiletry bag in here. In here it has my lotions, deodorant, toothbrush, face wash, all of that good stuff you need, deodorant and everything. Here are my undergarments. I like to put them in the little cubes. There's the cube. And this is my jacket and shawl. So we're gonna put the shawl on this side, the jacket on that side. I love to travel with Ziplocs. You never know when you're going to need them. So we can put them here. And this is the laundry bag to put your dirty clothes in. Here's some extra bags that I get from the dollar store. And as you can see, all of the items are in. And then we're going to zip it. And nothing is bulky standing out. If I have some last minute things I forget, I have room to put it in here. And again, here's some more bags that I have stored in here. Put some reading material maybe. And then I have this little section here as well that I can put a little bit more items in. But as you can see, not bulky, nothing sticking out. And everything is all set for my 7-day cruise. I have more than enough items in here for 7 days. I'm actually able to change twice a day and have a couple extras left over. Thank you so much, and I hope this tip was helpful to you.